In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade a plan on Wix step by step in the easiest way possible. Whether you're moving from a free plan to a premium plan or upgrading your existing Wix plan to unlock more features like a custom domain, extra storage, or removing Wix ads, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. This is perfect for beginners and even experienced Wix users who just want a quick refresher. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log into your Wix account using the email and password associated with your site. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage all your websites, settings, and subscriptions, so make sure you're selecting the correct site if you have more than one website on your account. Next, from your site's dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. The Settings section is where Wix keeps all the important options related to your site, including billing, domains, and subscription plans. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the option called Manage Plan, and go ahead and click on that. After clicking Manage Plan, you'll be taken to a page that shows your current Wix plan, including whether you're on a free plan or an existing premium plan. On this page, you'll see a button that says Upgrade Your Site. Click on Upgrade Your Site to move forward with upgrading your Wix plan. Now Wix will show you all the available premium plans you can choose from. These plans usually vary based on features like storage space, video hours, bandwidth, and whether you want advanced analytics or e-commerce capabilities. Take your time here to review each plan carefully and choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're building a personal site or portfolio, a basic premium plan might be enough, but if you're running a business or online store, you may want a higher tier plan. Once you've selected the plan you want, click on it, and Wix will guide you to the payment screen. Here, you'll be able to choose your billing cycle, either monthly or yearly, with yearly plans usually offering a discount. Enter your payment details, review everything one last time, and then complete the payment process. After the payment is successful, Wix will automatically upgrade your site, and your new plan benefits will be applied right away. You'll be able to connect a custom domain, remove Wix ads, and access all the features included in your upgraded plan. You can always come back to the Manage Plan section later if you want to change or upgrade your plan again in the future. And that's it. That's how you upgrade a plan on Wix in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials, website tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.